The menu is very, very similar. Matar paneer has just few pieces more of mutton now left, and lesser paneer left for you. Chicken का तो आपको पता ही है, मतलब pieces पता नहीं शायद bones कहीं आपको मिल जाएंगे. By the time it's your turn. Whenever I used to see that bride on that stage who would look the brightest and with all that makeup and that jewelry and that whole attire, which is obviously lovely. You'd want कि अरे मतलब just to be the star of the evening, I want to get married. Mixed veg, dal makhni, matar paneer, and that jeera matar pulao.
Yeah.
And that's no matter कितना भी पूरा oily और वो सब मसालेदार खाना जो होता है, which is yum, but salad जरूर फिर भी होता है. और जिनको अपने जो मुझे पता है वो अंकल्स जो अपनी पूरी प्लेट मतलब कहाँ तक भर लेते हैं, लिटरली लाइक उनका फेस कवर हो रहा होता है, सैलड जरूर होगा उसमें. I don't know for what. I literally learned how to tap my feet on Kabutar Jaja song, and I used to watch it over and over again and again and again, that film. So I think Salman Khan from Maine Pyar Kiya.
Okay, Prem then. Okay.
Prem, yes.
Prem is the guy.
Sing the Bidai song. It was such a beautiful ceremony and winter evening, very nice. And she's crying very gracefully. She's not crying. She was just halka sa, and पीछे से I was just, my tears had reached my neck. And I remember she just turned around and she just gave me this stare that yummy, yummy.
All right, तो I think ये सब लोग जानते हैं कि गिन्नी weds Sunny is going to happen very soon. But before that, गिन्नी और सन्नी कौन है, वो एक दूसरे से कैसे मिले, उनकी शादी क्यों हो रही है और हो भी रही है कि नहीं, all of this we're going to find out on the 9th of October on Netflix. But before that, I have with me the very beautiful Yami Gautam, who's playing Ginny in Netflix's Ginny Weds Sunny. So Yami, welcome. How are you doing?
Hi Shweta, thank you for such a warm welcome. I'm good. How are you? So good to see you really happy and really excited about Ginny Weds Sunny, and it's so nice. Thank you. How sweet.
Like I was just telling you before we started that I absolutely love the trailer because after a very long time we have this really fun, happy film coming, and I think that is something that we really need right now, right? And also for a very long time we haven't had, I really don't remember, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think in the past few months we've had like a film which is like, which has some really good music, that's something that we've been missing out on. So I'm glad that Ginny Weds Sunny is, providing us all of it.
Thank you. I'm so glad people are loving the music and everything. And correct. This is the kind of response we were discussing before, that we're getting that in this pandemic, and it just comes as a little breather, the song and the music, and after a long time to hear this kind of palette that we have in the film, it's quite fun. So great, we're happy.
Okay, so we're here today actually क्योंकि शादी तो आपकी 9th को होने वाली है, नहीं होने वाली है, तो हमें बाद में पता चलेगा. But before that, a very important part of the celebration is the bachelorette party, which is what we're having right now. So this is Ginny's bachelorette party.
Chai.
It's okay. I think I have water, so I think
lovely.
जो है हमारे पास उससे काम चलाते हैं. This is your bachelorette party. काफी sad bachelorette party क्योंकि हम दोनों ही हैं यहाँ पे और now we're doing it. But I think we have to be safe also, so this is the best one that we could have.
Absolutely.
I have 2 fun segments planned for you. The first segment is called Shadi Shenanigans. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions which are going to be about the जो Indian शादियां होती हैं हमारी, उनके बारे में कुछ सवाल हैं. उसके अलावा just the idea of marriage, on that. So I just want to know your views, your memories, and stuff like that. All right. So my first question is, if you could get married in a Bollywood themed wedding, which one would it be? Like if you had to pick out a film, Bollywood themed wedding.
Theme. Would you have some options? You know what?
Yeah.
Okay, if I have to hypothetically answer, this is not very
Yeah.
close to what I personally feel, but given the option that we have, I think Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. I think that's nothing like Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, where matlab there is gaane pe gana and situation pe situation, and I think nothing can beat Hum Aapke Hain Kaun.
I agree. Nothing tops it. I fully agree. Okay. What is your most memorable childhood memory of a wedding, you know, of attending a wedding?
I think I don't have any one in particular, but I can tell you that out of many shadis which we attended as kids, some things were pretty like similar. Some things were very common, which is, I was just sharing with someone, especially the food corner. You know, and you knew, but even if you didn't know anyone in the shadi, which is the best thing, which used to be the best thing, you knew that this is that Jijaji, this is the Pupharji, this is the Tayaji, this is some really important persons who got to be like Jijaji of the house. And you know, the food stall looks this almost very similar. The menu is very, very similar. You know, Matar Paneer has just few pieces more of mutton now left, and you know, lesser paneer left for you. Chicken का तो आपको पता ही है, मतलब pieces पता नहीं, शायद bones कहीं आपको मिल जाएंगे. By the time it's your turn as kids. Ice cream, गुलाब जामुन हो तो मतलब almost कहीं बेचारा आधा कुछ कहीं तैर रहा है. So सब नहीं, maybe it's I think that was some of the most fun times also we've had.
What is the one thing that Indian weddings are just incomplete without, according to you?
I think DJ for some reason, and I think खाना. I think खाना बहुत जरूरी होता है. वो तो बाकी सब कुछ भी हो जाए, but खाना is like really, it's so difficult to please people. It is so difficult to make everybody say कि बहुत अच्छा खाना था, बहुत अच्छा खाना था, and say the same thing behind your back. So I think, yeah.
All right, that's fair. A must-have dish at a wedding.
Mixed veg. Mixed veg, dal makhni, matar paneer, and that jeera matar pulao.
Yeah.
And that's no matter kitna bhi pura, you know, oily और वो सब मसालेदार खाना जो होता है, which is yum, but salad जरूर फिर भी होता है. और जिनको अपने, जो मुझे पता है वो अंकल्स जो अपनी पूरी प्लेट मतलब कहाँ तक भर लेते हैं, लिटरली लाइक उनका फेस कवर हो रहा होता है, salad जरूर होगा उसमें. I don't know for what. I don't know why you still want that salad. Let it be na. Like greens are a must in my food apart from protein and carbs. So कुछ लोगों की प्लेट पे मुझे बहुत हंसी आती है.
I love how I asked you one dish, but you actually ended up telling me the entire menu.
Yeah. It's must.
Okay. Your dream wedding destination, if you were to have like a destination wedding.
I'm a mountain girl, so anywhere in Pahad, anywhere where I can see mountains and Pahad and that whole Wadia, I think is my perfect dream destination.
All right, that's fair. Okay, a Hollywood and a Bollywood actor you would instantly agree to marry if they ask you.
I don't think it's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna name my childhood crush. Okay, I had a huge crush on Ben Affleck after watching Pearl Harbor.
Of course.
So at that time, यहाँ पर you know, I'm also looking for my initial crush only. Let me think. Actually, I don't know. Nobody right now from.
But maybe like you said, childhood crush. At that point of time. So maybe if you think of someone who you really had a big crush on while you were growing up and you really enjoyed watching their films. Of course, I mean it could be different now, but.
You know, so if I have to go back to childhood, then my first film that I ever watched was Maine Pyar Kiya. I literally learned how to tap my feet on Kabutar Jaja song, and I used to watch it over and over again and again, that film. So I think Salman Khan from Maine Pyar Kiya.
Okay, Prem then. Okay.
Prem, yes. Prem.
Prem is the guy. One thing that you don't like about weddings.
What I don't like about weddings. You know what I seriously, if I can give a non-funny answer or something. You know, when I see some kind of, pressure which is on either side, I would say, from the girl's side, as I said, it's so difficult to please everyone, and it's not right to expect or to have the ladki wala, give that kind of party or that kind of big wedding just because the ladke walas they want it, or you want to show it to relatives, or that's the way it's always been. That added pressure on, I think, on girls' parents is so not right. I mean, if they have to go all out and stretch themselves, and it happens, it's true, probably they loan money, or it is so not fair. It is so not fair. So there has to be a system where, or you then you share that expense if you really want, the same thing. But just for that one day. I mean, I love marriage and I love wedding for the rituals that it has.
Yeah.
But the other things, the add-ons, I think that pressure, it shouldn't get tears and some kind of pressure on the girl's side. That really breaks my heart.
Yeah, I agree with you. And I'm sad that it still happens, but
it still happens. It does.
What is Yami's wedding going to be like?
I think it's so easy to answer this question after. It's so easy. It's going to be. I really hope it's in some hilly place, and there's going to be no choreographed sangeet. And my sister is like, if you say all these things, I am not coming to your wedding for sure. I'll be lying down behind some tent, and I'll be listening to some music of my own, and the entire party will shift there. So,
nice.
but my first choice, something what comes from my heart is literally those many people. Now owing to pandemic, it's anyway things they're gonna change.
Yeah.
And but whenever it happens, I literally want people who matter to me and who's it's vice versa, and who really there to literally bless us from the bottom of their hearts. We're not together, to please anyone or to get into any formalities. I want to do all the rituals, traditions, look like a bride, and how perhaps my mother looked when she got married. For me, she was the most beautiful bride. And just enjoy the process. I don't want to get stressed. I don't want to become a bridezilla. I don't want to become I don't want all those things. I want to enjoy like you've gone on a holiday with family to celebrate something, to start something new and enjoy with no pressure. So that's Anna.
Absolutely love the idea. Okay, now a quick session of Never Have I Ever. I'm gonna ask you a few questions, and you're going to tell me if you have done this or not. Okay, so just say I have or I have not, and maybe if you want to talk a little about it.
Okay.
Okay. Never have I ever stayed at a wedding from the very beginning till the end, till the fairas and all happen.
I have, which was my best friend's wedding, and because she's from a Sardar family, and my own sisters actually. Oh, why did I not name my sister first? Yes, my own sister and my best friend. Because both the weddings happened during the daytime, so I stayed. I have no idea how those people survive in all those night weddings. मतलब शायद दुल्हन को ना नींद आ जाए, मुझे तो ये लगता है. I have a feeling. I hope I don't doze off if my wedding happens at night. It's amazing. But yeah, my best friends and my sisters.
Okay. Never have I ever cried more than the bride during wedding.
I have.
Yeah.
And it was my best friend's wedding, Sukhmani, and I think I really embarrassed her. And her father, to the extent, like we were just walking behind her, me and my other two our best friends. We have 4 best friends, and 3 of us are walking behind her. It's her relatives also, and they all sing the Bidai song. It was such a beautiful ceremony, and winter evening, very nice. And she's crying very gracefully. She's not crying. She was just halka sa, and पीछे से I was just, my tears had reached my neck. And she just, I remember she just turned around and she just gave me this stare that, yummy, yummy. And I remember when she hugged me, she was like, bus, yummy, because I am not feeling that emotional right now, and just stop it and people up. And then her father left his daughter, as in for a second, and he was hugging me that beta koi na. And I was like, no uncle Asha, I'm not crying, uncle. Who's crying? I'm not crying. But it was so embarrassing. It was really embarrassing.
This is so funny.
My friend just stared at me. That's
Never have I ever tried to run away from the relatives who are trying to set you up with someone.
I don't think anybody's ever tried to set me up with anyone. For the simple reason that I barely talk. Like I talk, but then everybody's so busy. Ek to pahadi wedding na, matlab everybody's so busy with everything and too much gossip and too many things happening around. It's so amusing that you don't have to bother. You don't have to do anything. Just sit and just sit like this and just listen. And I do this till date.
Never have I ever gone to a wedding only to eat. Is that the thing
I have
you told me earlier?
all the time.
Okay, great.
Except my sisters and my best friends. I think every time the motive was food.
I agree with you. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is. It always
है
is.
ना? The rounds of chena murgi and aloo tikki and all that.
So much food, everything there. Yeah, I mean everything. Like you said, you put a menu and then you fill up your plate till here.
I think 90s was something else, and now it's become so really very sophisticated and everything, you know, very classy, which is nice. But you know, those times like was fixed. First, पहले चना मुर्गी आएगी, फिर कुछ अंगीठी वाला कुछ आएगा, कुछ छोटी छोटी आलू टिक्की, फिर मतलब बहुत lavish है तो चाट भी आ सकती है, fruit चाट भी आ सकती है, अलग. So it was, I really miss that time. I think nothing like being a 90s kid, I think.
You know, now that we're talking so much about weddings and all, I really miss going to a wedding.
है ना?
For the food, for just the entire experience of
Just
getting dressed.
Exactly.
अभी हम
Exactly.
कैमरे के सामने आकर करके and then we
हाँ.
just remove the makeup and get rid of it. But
Exactly.
you know, the excitement, I really miss it.
Something else.
Okay, lastly, never have I ever judged the arrangements at a wedding.
No.
Yeah.
Never. So this, my mother used to make it a point. But even if we are from the groom's side, or even if we didn't know from anybody from the bride, but we used to definitely walk up to them and say that it's really good arrangement. Everything is so nice, and you worked so hard, and you could see that little glint in their eyes, and you know, that thank you that you know somebody's appreciating, and you know, and everything. So we used to make it a point to do that.
Okay, actually, I have one last one, which is never have I ever earned more than 10,000 in Juta Churai.
Yeah, Juta Churai, I never, even in her wedding, actually, I never, there was so much work. We didn't do, so it was my brother. We have a brother also. He did the Juta Churai. And I think it was more than 10 grand. It was. I've never got anything. I was waiting for those shadis where you'll get some kalichni or something. But I think whatever you've seen in films, especially Jute Do Paise Lo and all that. And I was never made a party to it because you will get a scot. So you're not a party to any of the Juta Churai thing. And even for my best friend's wedding, because there's so much, you know, you want to be by her side constantly. We never bothered for Juta Churai. I don't think it does it happen now?
It does. I mean, I think the last time I did a tender wedding, it does happen. But I mean,
yeah.
Friends की कितने लोग उसमें कितनी, because you know some people get really emotional about it and they have planning and strategizing and what not कि मतलब पता नहीं क्या खजाना मिल गया वो जूते के you only get into it कि कहाँ छुपाने कहाँ नहीं छुपाने and all of that. So I think that is actually like a lot of fun. So I hope you get to experience that sometime.
I hope. Yeah. Or otherwise then it's film. If not, then वो जो आप real life में नहीं आपको film करवा देती है. So I think it's okay.
हाँ,
it's fine.
It's up for it, no?
हाँ.
Okay. So this is all the time we had, sadly. I would have loved to have talked to you about other things also, but I guess we'll keep that for another time. For now, Ginny Wed Sunny releases on 9th of October on Netflix. I'm really looking forward to it. Like I have been telling you all this while. All the very best, yeah.
Thank you, Shweta. This was really sweet. I had so much fun, and I hope you enjoy the film. I hope we get your feedback, and would love to, garner response. And thank you so much for supporting and being so excited for us. Thank you.
Of course.